Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in gray driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes 3M on the front bumper, fenders and hood. Other great features includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper, power liftgate, and power sliding doors. Allowing us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Take a quick look in the side mirror. You can see you do have a blind spot monitoring system along with heated mirrors. Next to the door handle, you have your memory seating presets, power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the bottom, you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. Now, if we take a look next to the door, you'll find your park assist button where you can turn those sensors on and off, along with your blind spot monitoring button where you can turn your blind spot on and off as well. You also find your heated steering wheel here. Now, if we take a look inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray leather seating, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons along with your all-weather mats. If we take a quick look on the top, you'll also find a power moonroof. We're going to start the Sienna by pushing the brake in and pressing the start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to start with the steering wheel features first. Starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have these arrows here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display, where you can also see on the bottom here, the Sienna has 53,957 kilometers on it. Lastly, right behind the steering wheel, you will find your cruise control. Taking a look at our screen here, right now we are on the home screen, where on the left side it will display any audio that's playing along with the device that's connected. You also have your navigation on the right side, so if we press that, that will enlarge. You can set your destination. Going into audio, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices between CD, USB auxiliary. You can always connect your phone through Bluetooth as well. Going into reverse, that'll bring up that backup camera. Moving down underneath that is the climate control. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger can do so as well right next to you, and you also have this dial on the bottom here for those rear passengers. On the bottom, we have some storage and cup holders. If we press this little piece here, 2 extra cup holders will slide out. This is where you'll also find your USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, and your driver and passenger heated seats. Now, this Sienna does have power sliding doors like we mentioned, so we're going to hold that left button for the left side to open up there. Now, if we sneak inside, you can see we are continuing with the gray leather seating. If we look behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. The rear passengers also have a screen and a second moonroof as well. These rear seats do also fold down. We can pull this middle button upwards. The seats will fold. That'll allow us to slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now, this Sienna does also have a power liftgate, so we're going to hold that bottom button there, and that liftgate will open for us. Now, if we take a look inside here, let's see, even with third row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. Now, these rear seats do fold down. There's these little handles that we can just pull, allowing the seats to fold in, giving you that flat storage space in the back. And like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will always give you that extra bit of room. There is a little button up top. We can give that a press for that power liftgate to close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control, navigation, and a heated steering wheel. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.